Hello dear students, greetings to you all. Hope you all are keeping well at home. Now children, I am going to show few things to you. Can you recognize the things? Are you ready? Yes. Now I am going to show the first thing is, yes, look at this children. What is this? See this? Yes, it is. It is parrot. Correct, right? Parrot, right? Children, now you have to say, can you guess from what it is made up of? Yes, it is made up of woolen threads. Correct, right? Yes. Now I am going to show one more thing. Yes. See here. What is this? Can you guess what it is? Wall hangings. Correct, right? So, this one also made up of woolen threads. Isn't it good, children? Yeah, okay, fine. Now, the last thing I am going to show this wonderful flowers. See this? Can you see this flower? Yes, children. Is it real flower or artificial? Yes, children. This is made up of color sheets. Correct, right? Isn't it, children? Yes. Children, see, when we use the waste things creatively, see, when we use waste things creatively, of course, we can get the wonderful things. Isn't it? Yes. Now, children, now I am going to tell you how waste materials turn into a wonderful item. How waste materials turn into a wonderful item. Shall we start our lesson? Yes. Okay, children. Here, let's start our lesson. The lesson name is Wonderful Waste. What's the lesson? Now we are going to start the lesson. Wonderful waste. Okay. Children, see this. First of all, let's get the meaning of the lessoning. First of all, look at this. What is this? Wonderful waste. See here. What is the meaning of wonderful? Wonderful, extremely. Correct, no? Extremely. And waste. Things. Yes, waste which is not useful. Correct, no? How it is possible? Isn't it, children? Okay, let's start our lesson, children. Before that, I want you all to open your textbook on page number 10. Take your textbook, open the page number 10 and take pencil, children, where I say you to underline the word. Okay, take your pencil, be ready with the textbook and pencil. Are you ready? Yes. Now, see children, now I am going to read the lesson, listen carefully and practice at home. Okay? Yes. So children, I am going to read out the lesson, listen carefully. So, here, let's start our lesson. See, lesson number 1, Wonderful Waste. Once, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Children, please underline the word survey. S-U-R-V-E-Y, survey. Underline the word survey. Okay. Next, what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? See, underline the word scraps. S-C-R-A-P-S, scraps. He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." You cannot waste all these bites and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them, the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. Children, underline the word sternly. S-T-E-R-N-L-Y. Sternly. Now, the cook was in a fix. Underline the word in a fix. I-N-in a fix. F-I-X, fix. Okay. And kept staring. Underline the word staring. S-T-A-R-I-N-G. Staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. Okay, children. Now, I am going to explain the lesson. It is a wonderful lesson. Of course, you will enjoy this lesson. Okay, shall we start our lesson? Yes. So, children, this class we are going to learn about the lesson Wonderful Waste. Shall we start? Yes. Now, you children, see here. Once upon a time, see, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Once, Maharaja means king. So, what he had done? See, Maharaja of Travancore. Do you know, children, where is Travancore? Which place it is? See, Travancore is in Kerala. Okay. Now it is called Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, children. Travancore is in Kerala. Now it is called Thiruvananthapuram. It is the capital of Kerala. Okay. So here one day Maharaja of Travancore ordered. One day he has ordered. What did he order? Ordered a grand dinner. Children, dinner. So grand dinner in his palace. Children, what is a palace? Palace where king lives. A building where king lives. In his palace, one day he called his cook and he ordered to prepare a delicious food. And he ordered in the afternoon before the dinner. So he called his cook and he said, so today you go and prepare a grand dinner. So I think some of the guests arrived to his palace. To make them to be happy, he has ordered a grand delicious food dinner. So here what happened? In the afternoon what happened? Before starting the dinner, in the noon, so the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes. So Maharaja also to check the dishes, what the cook is doing, whether he is doing the delicious food, how many items he had prepared. To check that, one day Maharaja, what did he do? See, he entered the kitchen. So, to survey the dishes. Children, see, what is the meaning of survey? To look closely. And he started to check all the things what his cook had prepared. Okay. So, he started to check all the foods. One day, he entered the kitchen. He started to check. He started to survey, to look closely. He started to check everything. And here see, that had been prepared for the feast. Why did the cook prepare for the feast? So now what happened? So Maharaja entered the kitchen. He checked all the food. Now see, what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? Now he looked at the vegetable scraps. Children, what is the meaning of vegetable scraps? It is a small pieces of vegetable. Of course, what we do, see, when we prepare something, we use vegetables, and first of all we just peel it out. The peels and all we just throw because we don't use them. Correct me, children? The same way, here cook he started to do the work, because when Maharaja ordered him to prepare a delicious food, he started to prepare a food. But the vegetable scraps means small pieces of vegetables. Correct? No, the peels of vegetables, he kept it in a basket. Afterwards, he can throw them, right? So he kept it in a basket. Maharaja, while checking the delicious foods, he looked at the basket. Okay, and he is asking now, what are you going to do with that vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, and pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook, and he is pointing at the basket. Maharaja looked at the basket, and the basket was filled with vegetable scraps, small pieces of vegetable and the peels of the vegetables. That is waste, right? And this Maharaja looked at that, and he asked, what are you going to do? And see, now it is the problem, right? And see, the cook has replied, they are waste. We will throw them away. See, cook has said, Maharaj, that they are waste. Now we are going to throw them. We are not using that. Here see, you cannot waste. Maharaja is saying here, you cannot waste all these bites and pieces of vegetables. See, Maharaja is saying, why are you wasting that? Why are you throwing the vegetable scraps? No, no, no. You cannot waste. You use them. Oh my God. Now how can you use that vegetable scraps? Correct, children. Now here see, find a way to use them. Maharaja is ordering to cook. No, you should not throw. Don't throw and don't waste the vegetable scraps. You do something for that. Find a way. Way means method. Find a method and do something with that. Now see, Maharaja commanded sternly. See, Maharaja commanded sternly. Children, you see, what is the meaning of sternly? It is seriously. See, seriously, he is commanding to the cook. Don't waste and do something with that. Now see, and walked away. He commanded to cook and he walked away. He left the kitchen. Now see, what happened? The cook was in a fix. Now cook was in a fix. What is the meaning of in a fix? Children, see here, a situation hard to escape from. This is the hard situation, difficult situation, right, children? Now what can you do with that vegetable scrap? With that waste vegetable? What can he do? Vegetable means the small pieces of vegetables. He cannot do anything with that, right? So, but when Maharaja ordered him, he has to think what he can do with that. Now, he was in a fix. Fix in the sense, a situation hard to escape from. This is the difficult situation. He cannot escape from that. He started to think, what can I do with this waste thing? What can I do? Like that. He started to think about it. Okay. And next you see, he kept staring at the vegetable scraps. He kept staring. Staring in the sense what? To look fixedly. So, he started to look at the vegetable scraps which he kept it in a basket. So, he started to look at the vegetable scraps. And sometimes he looked at the basket. Suddenly, immediately what happened? An idea flashed across his mind. An idea suddenly means an idea. He got an idea flashed across his mind. See, suddenly think of. What we say, children? Idea flashed in the sense suddenly think of. While he was looking at the basket, he got an idea. What is that idea, you know, children? Do you know what is that idea? What he is going to do with that vegetable scraps? Okay, this one we are going to say in the next class. Okay, children? Next class we are going to learn the cook what he is going to prepare with that vegetable scraps. It's very interesting, right? Yes, children. But now I am going to give one work to you. Are you all ready to do it? It is very easy. Children, you do one thing. See, take a waste things. Use waste materials and prepare useful things. Can you do it? See, for example, I have used woolen threads and the waste bangles. See, I have done a design. Correct, no? Wall hangings. The same way, what you have to do? Children, find out the waste things and create or else prepare useful things. Can you do it, children? Can you do it? Then you can name that wonderful waste. Correct, right?